How to use Figma as a project manager. Figma is the main design tool in use today. If you are not a designer, this tool might initially seem overwhelming. In this video, I will show you how to use Figma as a project manager, product owner, and product manager. In this part, you can leave comments in every section of the page. If you want to tag a team member, you should type add and select your team member. Even you can add a link in this section. If you were tagged in a comment, you can answer here and even close the comment and mark the complete option. In this section, you can review all the comments, the opened and the complete. If you want to share the file, you can do it from here. Right-click and share the link. Even select a frame and share the frame. If your file has a prototype, you can play it from here. Even you can leave comment and share the prototype as well. Before continuing, if you like the content, please hit like and subscribe. Here you can type for share on a specific frame or wire in the file or even in a specific page. Here you can see a file history record in case you want to go back to the date and hour for the file. Here you can see how many people are in the file at the same time. You can even follow any of them just by clicking on the name. Even you can make that everyone in the file follow you just by clicking here. I hope it helped you get started with Figma. Thank you for watching.